Thank you. Hey, I'm Detective White. Thanks for coming in. You're Manuela?
Yes.
Do you have ID on you by any chance? Do you have any patients today that you have to take care
I'm
of?
just going to this.
Okay. So do you remember this guy? Yeah. Was he like one of your patients? Was he, how was he to take care of? Like, was he a nice person to take care of, or was he difficult with you?
How many times or how many? Or I take care of him? Or
Yeah, like how long did you take care of him for?
not long. It's not long.
Not long.
No, maybe 1 or 2 months.
Okay.
Not long.
Okay. Did he have like a lot of people visiting him, or did he have like a lot of visitors? Like when you would care for him, were people coming and going?
He just
Or was he pretty much by himself?
ladies. When I go work, it was 7 a.m.
Okay.
to 8 p.m. But sometimes I take only 20 minutes or 30 minutes.
Okay.
But he always can. Sorry, my English is.
It's okay. You're fine. Don't worry.
He's always in the morning when I give him some breakfast, everything. So when I ask him, can I make lunch for you? He said, no, I have come friend coming. So I never see the friend, but him he always told me friend coming, but I don't know, because sometimes I'm coming 7:30 to 8.
Okay.
But never at night.
Okay.
But the work is 7 to 9, but I never stay for 9.
Okay. Okay.
It's 2 hours in the morning, 2 hours in the afternoon.
Okay. I'm gonna have to ask you some questions. Like, don't feel like irritated that I have to ask you them. I just have to ask you these questions. But before I ask you anything, I have to read you, because it's the law that I have to read you what your rights are. Okay? So before I show you any pictures that I have to show you, I have to read this to you. Okay? I'm required to warn you before you make any statement that you have the following constitutional rights. You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. Any statement can and will be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand? Like any statement you make can be used in the case. Like I could use whatever you say in the case.
Yes, I understand.
Okay. Do you understand these rights as I have read them to you, and do you wish to speak with me? Like, do you wish to continue to talk to me?
Sure.
Okay. That was easy, right? Just sign right there. So we just have to go over those. I told you I wanted to show you a picture of a gentleman. So some checks of Mr. were cashed, and they were cashed in the name of Gene Max Mortimer. Do you recognize anybody with that name?
No, my agency asked me before.
Okay. And that name like means nothing to you, or not like an old friend or an ex or anything like that? No, nobody. Do you know if Mr. had any friends named Gene Mortimer? Did he have anyone visit him?
No, just one lady. She just come to fix the medication for me. That's it.
Okay.
And the first time I see someone, it was a walker. But
Walker?
yes, fix some light.
Okay. Did Mr. ever mention anyone named Gene? Did he ever say, my friend Gene's coming over, or nothing like
I
that?
haven't.
Okay. I'm going to show you, are you familiar with like the issue with the checks? That he had, like, Mr. Berry had some checks that were taken from him?
No.
And somebody cashed them?
Cash for him.
Yeah, like he had his checks for his bank, and somebody named Gene, somebody wrote Gene on the checks and cashed the checks. Are you familiar with that?
No.
Okay. You're not familiar with anything that happened? Or you heard about it? Or
No.
No one asked you any questions?
No, just my agency.
Okay. And what did they ask you?
I don't remember the date. She just called me. She said, Mr. asked me if you know anything about the check and just the check and the name, the Jean.
Okay.
And I said, no, I don't know anything.
Okay. Okay. I'm going to show you a picture of Jean. Okay. Do you recognize him?
No.
You never seen him before?
No.
In passing? Nothing like that?
No.
Okay. No memory at all of him? Okay. So I'm going to tell you this, okay? I don't think everyone is a bad person. I think some people have circumstances in life that they deal with, and sometimes desperate people do desperate things. Do you understand? I think sometimes people have situations in their life. Like I don't think you're a bad person. Right? Do you think you're a bad person?
Bad person? No.
No, you're a good person, right?
Yes.
But I think sometimes in life you can have situations, hard times, that make you do things that are wrong, right? But doesn't make you a bad person. It makes you somebody who made a very bad mistake. Okay? So I'm going to show you, what kind of car do you drive?
Toyota.
A Toyota? What color is it?
White and blue.
White and blue, okay. Can you tell me who this is? Now it's not the time to lie.
It's not. I don't know who.
That's you. It's already been identified as you. People that know you said this is you.
What? When?
The 7th of July, 2025, Boca Raton, Florida. A 28-year-old caregiver was questioned over stolen checks belonging to a 4-year-old client in her care. Detectives had ATM photos, bank records, and a shared address. She walked in and denied everything.
Yeah. That's clearly you, Miss Leonard. So like I said, I don't think you're a bad person. I think you made a very bad mistake. For whatever reasons, you made the mistake. So why would you do this? Why would you cash Mr. checks?
You say I made a mistake?
Mm-hmm. You cashed Mr. check.
I cashed Mr. check?
This is you driving your car. Don't play games. Okay?
Yes, this is my car.
Yes, and that's you driving your car.
Yes, this is, yes.
That's you. Okay, and that's you in that picture. Correct?
Let me look.
Maybe the sun is not hitting you the right way, but that's you. And what about... What about this one?
The car is like the same my car, but
It's your car, right? And that's you driving it.
yes.
Yes. I'm glad that we have honesty, because honesty is very important, okay? Because if you sit here and you continue to lie about it, it doesn't look good. Lying is not good, okay? So I'm going to ask you why. I'm going to give you an opportunity, do you understand? An opportunity to explain to me why you needed to cash his checks. What was going on in your life that you needed to do this? Doesn't make you a bad person. I don't think you're a bad person. I think you made a mistake, but I need to know why from you did this.
Did what?
Cash his checks.
But I never touched the cash for Mr.
So why did you have his checks?
I don't have the checks.
These are you at the ATM, correct? That you just said. These are pictures of you. correct?
Yes.
Okay. This is you at the ATM putting this check into the ATM that says Jean Max Mortimer.
Can I have a tragic?
Can you have a who?
Tragic.
Translator?
Translator.
What language do you speak?
Creole.
Creole? Can we see if anyone speaks Creole that could swing by here? Do you have children?
First one.
Oh, first one. How far along are you?
18 weeks.
18 weeks? Okay. Do you live with a dad?
No.
No? Where's dad at?
Boyton.
Where?
Boyton.
Boynton Beach?
Yes.
Okay. Nobody? Is this the dad?
No.
No? But you lived with this man?
No, I live by myself.
You live by yourself? Did you ever live with this man?
No.
Because you both have the same address in common.
Address, the same.
The residential address is the same as that guy?
I don't think so.
No?
No. I'm living by myself.
Okay. I know she understands me.
Right.
This is her opportunity to speak. But if that's what we're going to do here, then, So you don't know Mr. Mortimer?
Mr. Wu?
Mortimer, the picture, the man that I showed you?
No.
Is there any reason why the two of you would share a bank account? Why you and that guy in the picture have the same checking account?
The same checking account?
Mm-hmm.
No, I have my account by myself.
Okay. Because you're getting direct deposits. Who do you bank with? Who's your bank?
Chase.
What happened to Bank of America?
I have only one bank. Chase.
What's the bank that you used before? Chase?
Chase.
No, you had Bank of America before.
No, I never have Bank of America.
Okay, so whose account were you putting the checks in if you never had Bank of America? Whose account was this that you put the checks in?
I don't have any check.
Okay, we're going in circles. Okay. All right. Your car is parked out there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Can you stand up, please? Let me just hold these things. Okay, yep. Turn around. You're under arrest. Put your hand behind your back.
And can I have a lawyer?
Yes, you could definitely have a lawyer.
3 legal questions. The first, Miranda timing. Under Miranda versus Arizona, rights must be administered before custodial interrogation begins. Substantive questioning began 3 minutes before the Miranda card came out. Berkemer versus McCarty holds that custody is judged by totality of circumstances. A closed room, accusatory questioning, and surveillance photos on the table can constitute constructive custody. If a court agrees, everything said before the Miranda warning may be suppressible. The charges: Florida Statute 831.01 Forgery, endorsing a check in a name that is not yours. Florida Statute 812.014 Grand Theft. Her admission placing herself at the ATM is the actus reus. Florida Statute 825.103 Exploitation of an elderly adult. The most serious charge: theft exceeding $10,000 from a person 65 or older. Second-degree felony, up to 15 years. The third issue, the interpreter request. Mid-interrogation, Leonard asked for a Creole interpreter. Questioning continued. Florida Statute 90.606 grants the right to interpreter services in legal proceedings. Voluntariness under Miranda versus Bourbon. A waiver must be knowing, voluntary, and intelligent. If Leonard could not fully understand the questions, the waiver may not hold. It is the defense's best motion. At arrest, Leonard said, "Can I have a lawyer?" Under Edwards versus Arizona, that ends all questioning immediately. It did.
No, I'll do 2 because she's pregnant. I'm not gonna make them too tight, okay? You okay?
Yes.
Okay. We're gonna leave. It's okay. You can relax them. We're gonna walk you out here, okay?
I got it. Let me get this.
Sit right here. Just sit on the step. Turn around. And sit on the step. Yep. Good. Sit. Okay.
You're good? Good?
Yeah.
Okay. Put yourself here.
You understand you're under arrest, correct?
I'm the rest for what?
For check fraud and forgery. Cashing Mr. checks. That's why I was trying to find out from you why. I know you understand me. It's okay if you don't speak well, but you understand, you know? So, and you can't fight the fact that you're on video cashing Mr. checks.
Do you understand that? The video?
In video.
You got that? That you're on video in your car. Or your car, but you're in your own car and you have Mr. checks.
Where's your car? Down there somewhere?
No, after
Oh, right after the gray car?
the great one.
Oh, I see it. You have a teddy bear in the windshield? Teddy bear in the windshield?
Yes.
You know it's wrong to do what you did, right? Do you feel sorry for it?
When you're reading the note, when you're reading the note,
The note? Mm-hmm.
and you see,
She's gonna lock them so they don't get tighter. So regardless of whether you are gonna answer questions today or not, I was going to arrest you because you have been identified in those photos. So I'm glad that you were honest, that they were you. Okay, just I would hope that you continue to be honest, and if there's a reason why you did that you would say so, that you would talk about it, and not pretend that you didn't do it, because you clearly did it. That makes sense?
when you first talking, I understand. When the last, I don't understand.
Yeah. So the pictures are you, right? I would hope that you would continue to be honest and not try to lie about it, because if you lie about it, that's just not good. I think honesty is the best policy, you know? Do you have a gambling problem? Do you gamble? Casino? Hard Rock Casino?
Slot machines, stuff like that. Play cards.
No.
Slot machine? Where you put a quarter in, you pull the bar. Hard Rock? Hard Rock Casino?
No.
You don't go to the casino?
No, I don't play it.
What happened to your ankle? This? Really? It made it? Dang. How? What happened?
When I was 4.
4 years old? You got... Someone shot your leg?
Policeman.
What is it?
Police.
Oh, policeman? Jeez.
Oh boy. You're not happy with the police right now, huh? Sorry to hear that. Let me see if you're good with her. I'm gonna see if there's a chair that I can just bring out for a second. I don't want ants on it. Do you still work for Miss work for her? Nursing?
Yeah. Yes.
You still work for her? How long have you worked for her?
So here, but not to the whole.
Not what?
So here, but not the whole here.
Oh, okay.
Sometimes.
You know, your paychecks from nursing were going to Bank of America. You said you never, no, Bank of America. Your paychecks were going to Bank of America. Let me show you. This is your paycheck. Nursing, direct deposit. Manuela Leonard. See right here? Nursing, direct deposit. That's you. So your paycheck, that's Bank of America. So you can't tell me you never banked with Bank of America and you just bank with Chase. That's not true. I need you to power down.
Okay.
Sorry. I could do it if you have an extra set of gloves. Okay, we're gonna walk that way. Be very careful down the steps, okay?
What's up? She's going, I'm gonna go to the hospital first. So I gotta put her down.
Yep, stand right here. Just stay right here for a second.
I'm just gonna pat you down and make sure you don't have anything. Do you have anything on you? Any extra thing in your bra or nothing? Okay. There we go. There we go.
Come on, see?
Alright, so I'm gonna meet you at the hospital, okay? Huh?
I guess both of you are.
CCC cleared for you.
Grades. Detective White receives a B+. Evidence preparation was strong. Tone stayed professional throughout. 2 deductions. Miranda 3 minutes late. Questioning continued after the interpreter request. Both were avoidable. Manuela Leonard receives a D. She denied everything through a paper trail and ATM surveillance that placed her directly at the scene. Confirming her car and her face in the photo is now part of the prosecution's record. Her best defense is the interpreter issue. If it holds, some statements may be cut. 2 lessons. For law enforcement, Miranda timing matters. Custody attaches when a reasonable person would not feel free to leave, not when the detective decides to reach for the card. For anyone in an interrogation room, signing a waiver without an attorney is one of the costliest decisions you can make. Silence is a right. It costs nothing to use it and everything to give it up. If you have a body cam encounter or a legal question you want analyzed, drop it in the comments. Subscribe for weekly body cam analysis. We will see you in the next one.
And slide in.